The second point is inferential statistics. Inferential statistics refers to all such methods by which conclusions are drawn relating to universe or population on the basis of a given sample. Means we will estimate here. For example, if we are calculating the average weight of entire class, then we will take average weight of all the students of the class, and it is based on estimated. It is just estimated, right? The next topic is limitation of statistics. In modern times, statistics has emerged to be crucial significance in all walks of life, but there are certain limitations. These are as follow: study of numerical fact only. Here in statistics we will study only numerical terms, means which can be calculated on the basis of numerical form 1 2 3 4 5 and so on. The data is given in numerical form. It does not study qualitative phenomena like honesty, friendship, wisdom, healthy, patriotism, justice, so on. Second point, study of aggregates only. Statistics study only the aggregate of quantitative fact. It does not study statistical fact relating to any particular unit. It study as a whole. For example, statistical fact. Example, a teacher earned 50,000 per month, but this is fact relate to an individual, so it is not considered as statistics. If we are study about all school teachers earning, it will be aggregate, and it is a study of aggregate only. It is known as statistics, where we will study about all the unit of factors. Next point is homogeneity of data, an essential requirement. To compare data, it should be uniform. For example, production of a food grain cannot be compared with the production of cloth. It should be similar. For example, if we are comparing production of a cloth in 2020 and what is the production of cloth in 2021, it is homogeneous. Next point is results are true only on an average. Most statistical findings are true only as average. They express only the broad tendency, unlike the law of natural science. So, statistical observations are not error-free. They are not always valid under all the conditions. If it is said that per capita income in India is 50,000 per annum, it does not mean that income of each and every Indian is 50,000 per annum. So may have more and some may have less. It is true. Results are true only on average. It is based on average. For example, if we are taking example of marks of the +1 class, out of 50 it is 30, 20, 15, 90, 60. Then we will find out average, means average number of student, how much they get the marks. This is the average, based on average, but it is not show the true data, right? Next point is without reference, result may prove to be wrong. In order to conclusion, it is necessary that there are some circumstances, condition under which these conditions have been drawn or studied. For example, here example is given 1000, 2000, 3000. You will find out average 1000, 2000 plus 3000. It is 6000 divided by 3, number of profit. Okay, it will be 2000. Now average is a 2000, 1000, 2000, 3000. It will be plus, total will be 6000. Average profit you are finding, number of profit divided by number of profit, you will plus it. Here 3000, 2000 plus 1000, again it is 6000, again average profit is 2000. But it is very important to see here, first in beginning 3 years, first year profit is 1000, second year it is 2000, third year it is 3000. Profit is increasing, but in this case first year profit is 3000, second 2000, third 1000. It means the profit is decreasing. In here increasing and here is decreasing. So average profit is same 2000, but without a reference it may be wrong. You cannot understand कि आपको प्रॉफिट हो रहा है कि लॉस हो रहा है, बिकॉज एवरेज इज द सेम, एवरेज प्रॉफिट इज द सेम. बट if you are take conclusion, you want to understand the conclusion, then you should understand what was the profit in 3 years. It is increasing and this is a decreasing. So understand it. Without reference, result may prove to be wrong. आपने ये देख लिया कि 2000 एवरेज है, सेम है, बट यहाँ पर क्या है, इंक्रीज हो रहा है, यहाँ पे डिक्रीज हो रहा है. देयर इज अ बोथ डिफरेंट. सो यू मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट. नेक्स्ट, कैन बी यूज्ड ओनली बाय एक्सपर्ट. यस, statistic can be used only by those persons who have special knowledge about statistical method. If the person or investigator who is collecting the data but he has no knowledge how to collect the data will be wrong. So that there is a need of expert. He will collect the data in very fast, right? Prone to misuse. Prone to misuse means statistical may be used to spot a pre-drawn conclusion when it is absolutely false. It is usually to said statistics are like a clay by which you can make a god. जो क्ले होती है, बच्चों के खेलने वाली क्ले, आप उसके साथ कहते हैं कि क्ले के साथ गोड, अच्छी पिक्चर भी बना सकते हो या फिर ड्रामनी पिक्चर भी बना सकते हो. तो इट इज़ डिपेंड upon the investigator how he is using the data. अब आप दिल्ली का देख रहे हो कोविड-19 की